Turkey has once again attracted global defense attention after Baykar accelerated production of the Bayraktar TB3. This move marks a new phase in the development of a naval combat drone designed to strengthen Turkey's maritime operational capabilities. The Bayraktar TB3 is not simply a successor to the Bayraktar TB2, but rather an unmanned aerial platform prepared to carry out missions from short-land carriers. Baykar employs a modern manufacturing approach that emphasizes precision, efficiency, and system integration. The airframe structure is constructed from lightweight yet strong composite materials, enabling it to withstand operational loads while maintaining fuel efficiency. Once the mainframe is complete, technicians install the avionics system, flight computer, electro-optical sensors, navigation equipment, communication system, and mission control module. The turbodiesel engine used in the Bayraktar TB3 is also a key factor in its endurance. With good fuel efficiency, the drone is capable of long-term airborne operations and long-duration maritime patrol missions. High endurance is crucial for maritime operations, as surveillance areas are typically extensive and require a platform that can remain airborne for hours without returning to base. In addition to its flight capabilities, the Bayraktar TB3 is also designed to carry precision weapons. This drone can be armed with laser-guided munitions, smart bombs, and lightweight missiles suitable for attacks on both land and sea targets. The weapons are integrated with advanced sensor systems to enable the drone to identify, track, and engage targets with high accuracy. With the TB3, Turkey can operate a cheaper, smaller, and more flexible air platform than a light aircraft carrier. This means ships like the TCG Anadolu can function not only as amphibious assault ships, but also as combat drone operation centers. In modern conflict scenarios, this capability gives Turkey a significant advantage in maritime surveillance and rapid response to threats. The mass production of the TB3 also demonstrates that Baykar has entered a more mature stage of industrialization. While previously the primary focus was on prototype development and flight testing, the company must now ensure its supply chain, factory capacity, and quality control systems are capable of supporting continuous production. This reflects Baykar's transformation from an innovative manufacturer to a large-scale defense company capable of meeting both national military needs and international demand.